Late Friday, the Justice Department sued Texas and Republican Governor Greg Abbott in federal court over the state's attempt to restrict undocumented immigrants' travel. According to the lawsuit, Abbott's executive order signed on July 28th would substantially disrupt federal immigration operations in Texas and is unconstitutional because states cannot take action to preempt enforcement of federal law. Attorney General Merrick Garland asked Abbott to rescind the executive order in a strongly worded letter on Thursday. The federal government was certain to sue when the governor declined to act. According to Abbott's order, only law enforcement officers may provide transportation to individuals detained for unlawfully crossing the border. Many of the detainees have tested positive for COVID-19, and their mobility across the state risks spreading the virus. According to the lawsuit, the federal government relies on contractors and non-governmental agencies to transport immigrants across the state so that they may attend hearings or travel if Customs and Border Protection CBP release them. Because Customs and Border Protection CBP stations are only meant to keep individuals for a limited period, they must be transferred. According to the suit, CBP has hired contractors to relocate approximately 120,000 individuals in the Rio Grande Valley region alone since last October. In addition, rather than limiting the spread of COVID, the lawsuit claims that Abbott's executive order will likely exacerbate the situation by restricting immigrants' access to medical treatment and testing. According to government attorneys, the directive will further worsen congestion at border facilities. The Justice Department has requested a federal court to immediately suspend Abbott's executive order until the case can be heard. This is our breaking news for tonight. Thank you for having me on Focal Point. Good night.